What's up? This is Lauren with Ride Review, and today I'm reviewing the Emerald Fold Ebike. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its foldable design. When I'm not riding, I can easily fold it up and stash it in the trunk of my car, under my desk, or even carry it on public transportation without a hassle. It's super convenient and perfect for city living or people with limited space. I like to start by folding the handlebars, then using my foot to push the bike out so that it folds on the hinge. Then I set it down and pull both sides together. One thing to note is it's 71 pounds, so that is quite heavy for most people. Don't let its foldable nature fool you though. Since it is heavy, the Emerald Fold e-bike is built like a tank. Its robust construction ensures a stable and secure ride while also boasting a carrying capacity of 400 pounds. Let's talk about battery life. I was pleasantly surprised by the long-lasting battery life on this bike. The Emerald Fold e-bike has a Samsung battery that allows me to get up to 55 miles per charge. Plus, the charging process is a breeze, and the battery can be easily accessed even when it's folded. Safety is a priority for me, and I'm happy to report that the Emerald Fold e-bike doesn't disappoint in this aspect. The bike comes with reliable hydraulic brakes that offer responsive stopping power. Additionally, the built-in front and rear lights are an essential feature, making me visible to other road users during evening rides. Equipped with those hydraulic brakes, reliable 20-inch puncture-resistant tires, and excellent handling, this e-bike ensures you can ride with confidence in any weather condition. Whether it's a sunny day, a rainy afternoon, or even a bit of both, you can rely on the Emerald Fold to keep you steady and secure on the road. Now onto the magic of the pedal assist. The Emerald Fold takes the effort out of cycling, making uphill rides and long journeys a breeze. With its 500-watt motor that can reach 750 watts at its peak, you'll feel like you have the wind at your back no matter how steep the hill or how long the distance. It's a true revelation for riders of all fitness levels, offering an enjoyable and accessible cycling experience for everyone. To conclude, the Emerald Fold e-bike is a true gem in the world of electric bicycles. It's fun, practical, stylish, and makes cycling an absolute joy for riders of all ages. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring your city, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this e-bike is your ticket to freedom and adventure. So hop on and join the future of cycling. And that's a wrap on the Emerald Fold. To see more of my reviews, subscribe to this channel or head over to ridereview.com to see more vehicles and enter some of the vehicle giveaways we have going on. See you next time.